Reports of any kind play a vital role in overall decision making, and for any business serving software, make up for a key feature. Orderhive offers a wide range of reports for different modules like inventory, sales orders, purchase orders, shipments, customers, invoices, etc. Every module has its own set of automatically generated reports to help users retrieve information based on their unique business workflows and use cases. In this video, we will go through operations that Orderhive users can perform in Orderhive. First, let's see how to export reports. Open any report page. Select the filters or the time frame based on which you want to generate a report. Then click on Run Report to fetch the data based on the filters. Lastly, click on Export button at the bottom. Now let's find out the way to customize reports. Orderhive users can easily customize the standard reports by simply adding or removing the columns fields available for each report. To customize any standard report, click on the settings icon on the report page. And then select or deselect the column you wish to have in the customized report format. Here, please note that saving this report after selection of the column is important to use it further. To save, click on the Customize button. Here you can name this report along with the description, and then finally click on Create to save this new report. You can also delete the customized report anytime from the report page. After customization, we will learn how to schedule reports. This is an important feature if you want to receive an updated report on a regular basis. For this, open any report and click on Schedule button at the bottom. Here you can choose to receive the report on a daily, weekly or monthly basis. If you select daily, choose the time for receiving the report. If you select weekly, select the day of the week and time, or select the date of the month and time if you select it monthly. Then you need to add an email for receiving the scheduled report along with the subject and description of the report. Finally, click on Done to schedule the report to be sent to you. That's all about Orderhive reports. If you want to know anything more on the subject, hit the chat button to connect to the Orderhive experts. Catch the Orderhive YouTube channel for more such tutorial and informative videos. Happy selling!